Hello and welcome people. This is your host Ray, and today's story we will learn to create design in Figma. So let's not waste the time and jump to the story. So the first thing we have to choose is the color gradients. It means the gradients and the varieties of colors we will be using to design that water balloons or the layers of balloons. I have chosen a Figma plugin called Web Gradients, and from that I have selected 4 to 5 gradients of colors which I'll be probably using this icon designs. All the colors, gradients and values are mentioned in the description, so you can easily check it out and use it for your further purposes. So let's start with by creating up a single frame where we will create the structure and a basic layer of the water balloon. That is the middle and the most important layer. So I'll be choosing a rectangular bar with a circular arc, which can be the header as well as the footer of a particular balloon body. And once we create that header and the footer of the body, we just have to add the rectangle in the center, which can be the body of both the header and the footer. And hence the whole water body or the balloons of the basic structure of the balloon will be ready. And the next part is to add up the colors as whatever the color gradients we have selected. You can even have a singular color or layer within the whole body of the balloon. It's completely up to you and it's a subjective thing. Once we select the 4 layers, we just have to add the colors onto it. Rest we are ready with the basic structure of the balloon. Once the whole structure of the balloon will be ready, we put it aside to make it the next and the bottom layer of the balloon. The bottom layer consists of just a rectangular box again with some of the borders in it, which will be at the bottom position with some of the bottommost thread, which can have a circular wave-like structure. And we have to arrange them all at the center positions so that it looks very nice and clean and breathable in a looking structure. Once we did it, we just have to give the borders to the bottommost, and then we have to add a ring. Again, I'm choosing the same color gradient which I have chosen for the bottommost layer of the water balloon body, that is somehow blue or shadish blue or purple in color. Once we added this, it all looks like a balloon with the bottommost structure with a thread at the bottom and circular layer or the structures which is joining both the balloon body as well as the bottommost layer. Hence a balloon water body is almost ready. The next part is to create a wave-like structure. Again, we are choosing a circular element or a circular tool, and the shortcut you can actually use in Mac is Command plus O, or in Windows is Control plus O. We have to choose the 2 particular layers. One will be the background of the whole ocean or a wave-like structure, and another will be a wave-like structure which you have to particularly give it a shape. Once we create an arc, we have to give it 180 degree of an angle, and we have to adjust it on the top of the background wave structure or the layer, and we have to give it the same color to both the layers or both the circular objects, but the difference will be in the opacity of the background as well as the top layer. So our particular background wave-like structure is almost ready. The next part is to join the balloon and the wave-like structure all together. It's completely up to you whether you wanted to give it a Z index, or let's say put it in the background with a transparent layer, or you want to put the complete balloon at the top of both the ocean or the wave layers. I'm choosing a 3 different, that is middleware layer, where I'll be having the background will be at the bottom, then I have the balloon-like structure, and then I'll have the wave. This makes it more appealing. It's look like that's the balloon is actually been keeping or lying in the overlay of the whole ocean layer. Once this is done, it's ready our product for preview version, and we are completed the one single icon which I am calling water balloon.